Hey yo, they said we going digital now. Hey yo, they said we going digital now. No more broken charges, no more my phone died excuse. Top standard logistics. The drivers run this show. What? We got the iPads, yeah, we rollin' clean. From TPA to MIA, you know what I mean. No more login stress, no more laggy screens. Top standard logistics, we a fantastic plus team. Yeah, we got the iPads, it's a brand new day. Efficiency high, no delay, we built police. From Miami to Turtle, we keep it taste. Top standard logistics, we a fantastic rotate. We got the iPads, started from the paper logs, now we upgrade. Relay on the tablet, no more time to waste. Trucks back tight, chrome wheels in place. Drivers in the zone, got that focused face. Screen so bright, you can see the shine. Even mirror mechanics say, oh, that setup's fine. Jason in the yard, tapping stylus pen, saying sign out the app before driving again. Better the iPads, yeah, we rolling thing. From TPA to MIA, you know what I mean. No more login stress, no more laggy screens. Top standard logistics, we a fantastic plug team. Hey, we got our iPads, it's a brand new day. Efficiency on, more delay, we build a last. From the Ivory to Tampa, we keep it taste. Top standard logistics, we a fantastic plug team. Hey, William on the mic, like yo, keep it tight. Redeem checking numbers every single night. Court in the yard with that manager stance. If you mount too low, you don't stand a chance. Hammers on relay running, driver ride sync. 5G strong, no cable king. Every driver rolling, feeling legit. Even the tablets got that TSL grid. Now they tapping screens like DJ missing hits. TSL so smooth, yeah, we driving with a whip. Shout out to Jahmoy, keeping trucks so clean. Robert rolling strong, always part of the team. Glad to have you been married pre-trip before she rolled. Alex holding steady, always in control. Dillon stay sharp with that forward sight. Safety and focus from day to night. Cristian got milk, yeah, that boy don't spill. Keeping calm, he drives so chill. Patricia on the phone every week. Do you got that OT for me? I think so, let me see. Yeah, we got that hustle, every mile he on. Randy and Anthony, solid to the bone. Michael and Carlos, staying on time. Ricky calling management just to say hi. No complaint, no reason why. Ain't no issue, we just a friendly guy. Bryan, Jack, Miguel, and John, trucking through the night till the break of dawn. Skylar part-time, still holding that line. Dang it, Long Beat, always on time. Calling MacGyver, making broke look fine. If it's missing the boat, he'll make it shine. Diego and Freddy, keeping it neat. Rolling through routes with precision and heat. Rosi rolling, precision and pride. Jeffrey and Aaron on the safety side. Ockeino, Ivory, Amel rolling clean. Top of the class, repping the team. They always the 5-1-1 king. Knows every route, every turn, he knows everything. Marlon, Steven, solid as steel. Rishard got rhythm, keeping it real. Jacob got motion, keeping the vibe. Allam and Diondre, keeping it alive. Muck with the focus, Simon on pace. Sharon and Rochelle, in the hotel pillow warm just in case. Joe, Clayton, Haley in line. Every driver out here, staying between the lines. Yo, bro, did you sign out though? Bro, sign out. That's how we get UDTs. Wait, what's a UDT again? Man, never mind, just sign out. Yeah, we got the iPads, yeah, we rolling clean. From TPA to MIA, you know what I mean. No more login stress, no more laggy screens. Top standard logistics, we a fantastic plus team. Yeah, we got the iPads, it's a brand new day. Efficiency high, no delay, we build a lane. From Miami to Tampa, we keep that pace. Top standard logistics, we run this race. We got the iPads, yeah, we moving fast. Logging in smooth, no more UDTs, they in the past. From the yard to the dock, we keep it tight. Top standard logistics, yeah, we do it right.